Here we are, day one of Smart Energy Conference and Exhibition. I'm just about to head in and give a presentation on professionalism in sales. Our new energy training business is doing the Certified Consultant course, which is really separating those companies that want to not look like the cowboys in the industry and do the right thing. Look, here we are. On the move again, just walked out of the Smart Energy Conference and Exhibition and now heading into the Pacific Islands Roundtable with the Smart Energy Council. They're going to have the President of Palau there and other leaders from the Pacific Islands. We've started doing some supply into the Pacific Islands such as Fiji and PNG, so I'm looking forward to having a chat to the leaders of the Pacific Islands, especially meeting the President of Palau and seeing how we can help them integrate renewables into those beautiful islands. See you soon. So I'm just leaving the Pacific Islands Roundtable session, heading down to deliver the Diversify Beyond Solar seminar, kicking off in 20 minutes. So can't wait to deliver some real value there on the SEC floor. So here we are down on the expo floor, about to deliver the first of the two Diversify Beyond Solar into commercial batteries and fast EV charging. And we've got this awesome theatre set up with some of the supply partners legends. Here they are at the registration desk, getting us all ready. Got this great theatre all set up. Some of our great partners here, like Bonnie from Phono Solar's already here, ready to go. Workbooks here to get some great education. An amazing setup. Now that's a wrap for Smart Energy 2025. It's been an excellent event. We've just finished delivering the Diversify Beyond Solar into commercial batteries and EV chargers, and I'm about to head to the Gala Awards dinner where New Energy Training, part of Supply Partners Group, is a finalist in the Excellence of Training Awards. We look forward to seeing you at the next Smart Energy Council event. They do great things for our industry. Thank you, Smart Energy. See you soon.